everybody, this is the website boy again with tutorial number 11, and today we're going to start creating the basic navigation. This is going to be a very awesome tutorial with the navigation, so keep that in mind. Alright, for those of you that want to do everything like me, I understand you. I want to do everything like me. You can install Sublime Text too and the Emmet plugin just to write code a little faster, right? Actually, a lot faster. For those of you that don't have this option of Sublime Text, you can install Notepad++, which is free for Windows, and the Text Wrangler, which is free for Mac users. And for those of you out there that want to download exercise files, and I understand, you can go to my website, thewebsiteboy.com/snippets. And guess what? You can also watch the tutorials at my website. That's cool, right? But anyway, for those of you out there that see this thumbs up, don't forget to click it if you like my videos. I mean, this means the world to me, right? And I appreciate it very much. For those of you out there that want to navigate my course, this is how you do it. You can click the next for the next video and the for the previous videos, right? You can also subscribe to my channel immediately. And every time I upload one of my videos, guess what? You get an email automatically to your email box. That is cool. For those of you out there that like my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are my world. You make more videos every single day, all right? You wake me up in the morning and you keep me awake at nighttime. Thank you so much. Let's continue with the tutorial. All right, so we have our document root right here. Your folder might be a little different from mine since mine says Bootstrap Advanced. Yours says maybe something else, but whatever that is, make sure this is your document root, and you should be able to know this since we did it before. So look at the videos you have from before, all right, the tutorials. So let's go ahead and open um, our co-editor. All right, so I'm getting my co-editor in my other monitor right here. Okay, so make sure if you don't have this exercise file, download them in the bottom of this video, and let's also open up a browser window. I'm getting it from my other right here. So I'm getting my browser together with my co-editor here so I can show you what's going on. All right, and let me just go into that document root, and in that document root we should have an includes folder. In that includes folder we should have a header, and this is where we're going to be adding our navigation. All right, so I'm gonna minimize this right now. Oof, two. So right now what we have, if we go to localhost, all right, we have a document similar to this, right? And we have a header. If we right click on it, on last tutorial we actually made this header. So we have a header here, and I want to add my navigation right there. Okay, so let's do that. Let me just minimize this and show you how it's done. All right, so this is our logo here, but we don't have an image yet. You can put whatever image you want, but I will include one later, so don't worry about it. Just download the exercise file. So the first thing that we're going to be creating is a section here. All right, actually a section with a class of navbar. All right, and we are also going to give it another class called navbar default, and this is just to make background color and some other defaults. And let's create another list here with a class of nav and navbar nav. Okay, so I think we are done here, and inside this another list we are going to create some list items. Let's just create 4. I believe we only have 4 links for now. So we have this for, sorry guys, I'm still sleepy, so um, if you see me kind of messing up, don't pay mind to it, just keep going. But I'm not messing up, right? Still not messing up, right? So we got 4 list items here, and we have let's just put pound signs there because they're not gonna go anywhere for now. So we got home, about, I believe is the next link. We can verify this by going to our document root, And we have an about here, contact, register. All right. So about, contact, and register. All right. So, okay. So now that we have that done, let's see how that looks right now on the browser. Let's go and open the browser window, refresh, and as you can see here, something is going on. All right, so I probably mistyped some class or something. Let's just check that out real quick. All right, so let's check it. Of course, I messed up right here. All right, so let's go back to it and refresh it, and now we have a navigation right here. As you can see, we have a little logo, and this is the alt attribute here that I. That's why it says image there, because we don't have any images right now. I just put an example.png there for now. I will give you an image later, and I put a alt image, that this way when we don't have any image, at least we have an indication that an image goes there, and this is really good for SEO purposes. All right, you can name your alt anything related to your website, and that would be very good for Google. But anyway, we have our navigation uh, here, and let's say for example we want to add a make one of those links active. Let's just create an active class here. This is all Bootstrap, remember that. Let's refresh it, and we have an active class. Now I don't want to do that here because I want I want people, when they go to a different link, for this to change to this, for this active class to be changing from link to link. And in order for us to do that, instead of including this active class in each of these pages, we are going to be doing that via JavaScript. All right, so we're gonna make a function, and don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. That when people click here, the active class is gonna apply to this, and then when they click here, it's gonna apply to whatever link we got here. So if we add other links here, that class automatically will uh, be attached to those pages there later on. And we're going to be doing that via JavaScript. Right now, we're not going to worry about that. So let's just take that class out. And if you don't know JavaScript, don't worry about it. I will guide you through it, just like you're seeing right now. So now, if you want to make this navigation um, fixed to the top, you know that you just make a class called fixed top. Okay, navbar fixed top, and if you refresh, you see your navigation is right here on the top, and all you have to do is put the body down, right? So for example, I'm just gonna click inspect element, because right now we have a problem. Our body is actually um, on the bottom of this navigation, right? So we have our content right here, right? So all we have to do is kind of put a margin on our content. Let's just do that, content.row, and we put a margin top, and then we bring that down. As you can see, I brought it down 30 pixels, and it's down. All right, so you can do that, and you can also fix this navigation to the bottom of the page. All right, and you can also, just by changing this here, all right, and just refresh it, and you got your navigation all the way in the bottom of the page. You can also make your navigation dark, right? So you just change it from navbar default to inverse, and we refresh, and your navigation is automatically dark with some white links. And I mean, we would have to spend a lot of time doing the CSS and HTML to build this navigation if we didn't have Bootstrap, right? So anyway, we're gonna leave this on the top. We're not gonna even fix it to the top. We're just gonna leave it normal, and we're not gonna even do inverse either. I just wanted you to remind you of that, since we did it in the beginning, but some of you might be new to this class right now, so you don't know about that. So let's refresh it, and we're just gonna leave it like this. And then on the next tutorial, we're gonna be talking about something awesome, and I'm gonna leave it to you to find out. So anyway, thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you liked it, please like the video, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.